went to start the skid steer and the battery's dead. Must have left the key on last time I used it. It's always something on a farm, right, Vigo? Right, bud? Watch out. Alright. Watch out, little buddy. There, we got power now. We'll drain it down with the old glow plugs. I think so. Oh, it's something on a farm. Ah, my jumper's dead now. Those glow plugs. Guess what? I'll throw the battery charger on it. No sense killing my jumper pack. I don't even know. Alright, welcome back to the homestead, everybody. Want to do a quick video servicing this John Deere 317 skid steer. Most of the stuff we're going to do should apply to, I would assume, most of the 3 Series Deere skid steers, but I don't know that for a fact, so just double check. Now, this has a 2.4 liter John Deere engine in it. I think after this series or model, they went to a Yanmar engine. So this is for a Deere 2.4 liter turbocharged engine, and we're gonna do air filters, fuel filters, oil, an oil filter, and we'll see what else is in this kit that I ordered offline. This is about $150, and I thought that was a pretty good deal for everything you got. So let's get started. So there's a little latch here for your hood, or for your engine compartment. That's got your oil cooler kind of built in. So let's first go ahead and get the engine oil draining. So you got this little access cover, and behind that is a hose that's plugged by this drain plug on the outside. I got the wrong size there. Unless this is metric. Could be. It'd be kind of weird, but it does. So this is kind of like a hydraulic fitting. You've got basically a bolt with a female thread here, male thread on the other side, I believe. So this should come off of there. And this is inch and a 16th, I believe. I've got this back wrench on this block so it can't twist on me. oil. Assuming we have any. Guess I didn't get it very warm. All right, so when that first started draining, I was sitting there scratching my head like, how the heck could that be cold still after running for 45 minutes? Well, it was just the oil. So this hose runs to the bottom of the motor, and it acts as basically an extension of your drain. And it was just the oil in that hose that was cold still. So when I picked the oil pan up there to dump it in my bucket, it was really warm on the bottom. So the oil does get warm when you run this. Good news. Let's change the oil filters. Hydraulic oil filter is right here, near your exhaust, and then the oil filter for the engine is right here. This panel lifts up. Slides out the back there. And then we should have better access to this stuff back here. I'll grab my filter wrench. Oh, frag. Don't do what I did. Make sure you got your drain pan under there first. It's just kind of a awkward place to get one. There's that. Hydraulic oil looks really good. I like that. Should be this one. Got our oil filter loose. So 16 73 hours. Got 1880 hours on the machine now, so it's been approximately 200 hours. But it hasn't been done in 3 years, so I'm really glad I'm doing this now, and it is pretty black, so. It looks like my grandfather's riding the 3. Probably some old farmer that just had this putting around his farm. All right. I don't think this is necessary, but I've always done it. I think most people do it. I'm not gonna put so much in I spill it everywhere either. But this is important to lube this seal here. All right, let's put this drain plug back in. Let's do the air filter. And you know what? All right, this side panel over here has to come out to get that out. They don't look terrible, but it doesn't hurt to put them in. Like I said, this whole kit was 150 bucks, which seems really cheap to me, but all right. Let's get this fuel filter off of here. The heck? Is that a quarter turn fuel filter? I've never seen such a thing. There we go. There. Hurry it up. Okay, I think it's ready to start. I'll check the oil real quick, but that should be good. And then I wanted to show you this real quick. Behind the right rear tire, there is a sight glass for your hydraulic oil level, and that is, I would assume, right in the correct range. It's right in the top 2/3 of the window there, so. That looks really good.